Welcome to another Eagles Overlanding video. This week we're in the Ozark National Forest. We're down below Mount Magazine area. We had a change of plans. We started off going to the Ozarks up north of Clarksville, and the roads were getting way too slick for us. In fact, as we were headed down one area, we decided we're not gonna be able to get out of here if we kept going down, so we decided to turn around. I had to use the winch just to keep myself from going down in the ditch. But we also helped somebody that went sideways on the road using Chris's Max Tracks. And then we ended up here. Hidden gem for sure.
Man, this side is epic. It's absolutely beautiful. And I don't know how we do it, but we just stumbled on this site and it's beautiful, man. The trail getting here was beautiful, all the creek crossings. I can't wait to show the folks this place. It's amazing.
So on the way here, we came across this mud hole that had a trail that went around it. And oh no, how old am I? 20 and dumb. And I was like, I'm gonna go through this mud hole. Well, Chris got it on video. I'll put it in right here.
Hey, Jacket. Hey, man. I think you're stuck.
I'm a free man. I hope.
Well, what did you learn?
If there is a road that goes around the puddle, use it. It's there for a reason.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I got stuck and had to winch out, and but we got out and started exploring, and we found this awesome spot. So we're gonna enjoy the night here, and yeah. It's the best tent ever. So unfortunately at this campsite, there's no firing. Well, there is one, but it's not in the best place. So I'm gonna make our own firing. Pretty cold out here. Howdy, Chris.
Hey, buddy. What's going on?
We about to fill a fire.
Oh, you know it, man.
I'm gonna make an epic fire, an epic spot. Got a firing. And let's get a fire going. Now we wait. Dinner served.
All right.
Hopefully these burgers are good, but we're gonna eat these burgers, go find some more firewood. Yeah. Catch you later. just been chilling by the fire, had some good dinner, and now we're about to go to bed. So, been a great day of being on the trails, and couldn't have asked for a better day. Anyways, you enjoying it so far?
Dude, I'm loving it. It's been awesome. But this guy's ready to go to bed.
Yeah, it's about, what is it? 10:45 right now. And we're just letting the fire die, letting our tents heat up, and then we're off to sleep. Not sure when I'm gonna wake up. I think this guy wants to catch the sunrise. I might be too cold to wake up, so. I don't know, we'll see. Good night. Well, good morning, guys. Woke up about 10 o'clock. Chris is out doing a little bit of exploring, some filming, and I'm about to cook me some breakfast, drink some chocolate milk, and just sit for a minute before I pack up and head out and do some awesome trails. So, been a great weekend, been a fun weekend. Now I get to return back to work on Monday, flying out to Michigan, and then hopefully go camping again when I get back. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all those wonderful YouTube things, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. So Chris, when I woke up, had already made breakfast and coffee, and he left his stove out and said I could use it if I want. So I'm gonna hope my water is not frozen in the Rotopax, and pour me some water into a kettle and warm it up because I'm having the mountain house meal. Quick, simple, easy, but that's all we're doing, so. Uh-oh. Well, that's not a good thing. It's kind of slushing around. It is partly frozen now. We'll see what we can do. Don't need a whole lot of water. Oh boy. We'll see what we can pour out. That's perfect. Works for me.
Fast Track Overland. Gear I use: Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Prinsu Roof Rack Designs, Rome Adventure Company, Baja Design Lighting, Northwest Trail Innovations, Midland Radios, Renogy Solar Systems, RCI Off-Road Bed Wrap, Rotopax Recovery, and Dometic Coolers. You can purchase Eagles Overlanding merchandise at longcreekoverland.com.